copy and paste text. 1. Select the text you wish to copy. 2. Click the Copy command on the Home tab. You can also right-click your document and select Copy. 3. Place your insertion point where you wish the text to appear. 4. Click the Paste command on the Home tab. The text will appear. To cut and paste text. 1. Select the text you wish to copy. 2. Click the Cut command on the Home tab. You can also right-click your document and select Cut. 3. Place your insertion point where you wish the text to appear. 4. Click the Paste command on the Home tab. The text will appear. You can also cut, copy, and paste by right-clicking your document and choosing the desired action from the drop-down menu. When you use this method to paste, you can choose from 3 options that determine how the text will be formatted: Keep Source Formatting, Merge Formatting, and Keep Text Only. You can hover the mouse over each icon to see what it will look like before you click on it. To drag and drop text. 1. Select the text you wish to copy. 2. Click and drag the text to the location you wish it to appear. The cursor will have a rectangle under it to indicate that you're moving text. 3. Release the mouse button and the text will appear. If the text does not appear in the exact location you wish, you can click the Enter key on your keyboard to move the text to a new line. Find and replace. When you're working with longer documents, it can be difficult and time-consuming to locate a specific word or phrase. Word can automatically search your document using the Find feature, and it even allows you to change words or phrases using Replace. To find text. 1. From the Home tab, click the Find command. The navigation pane will appear on the left side of the screen. 2. Type the text you wish to find in the field at the top of the navigation pane. 3. If the text is found in the document, it will be highlighted in yellow and a preview will appear in the navigation pane. 4. If the text appears more than once, you can click the arrows on the navigation pane to step through the results. You can also click the result previews on the navigation pane to jump to the location of a result in your document. 5. When you close the navigation pane, the highlighting will disappear. To replace text. 1. From the Home tab, click the Replace command. The Find and Replace dialog box will appear. 2. Type the text you wish to find in the Find What field. 3. Type the text you wish to replace it with in the Replace With field. 4. Click Find Next and then Replace to replace text. You can also click Replace All to replace all instances within the document.